is along Umuoba roads. They are passing some of those roads, and after this stage, this one is a collat, what we call collat. After this stage, they will now run a fresh new asphalt from A to Z, from Waterside to Abia junction. So this is collat along Umuoba road. Today, Friday, the 17th of November 2023. So this place have also been remembered. Let them join other roads that are smiling already here in Abia. They are not only fixing the fair part of the road, they are also reconstructing all the drainages that had one or two challenge. All the drainages do a stone base, and also roll the stone base with a compartment roller, compact them very well, and do pour this one collat on it, which after they will start asphalting. This is as in the be, as it happen here in Abia, which have been turned to a full construction site in Abia University. Just say make I update you for you to know that work is touching almost all the streets and adjoining roads here, because you deserve to know, because you have the right to know, whether you are from Abia or whether you are from Imo or whether you are an Igbo man. All this place you need to know that Abia is an Igbo land. It's a special place to be. Thank you. So just bear in mind that this is not the final laps. This one after this stage now, they will now do another fresh. This one now kind of basement. Yeah, the basement, the first base. After this base now, they will now start a fresh one from the beginning of that Y junction to the end of where the road terminates around Abia junction. So because you deserve to know, that is why I'm telling you, that is why I'm coming up with this fresh new site in Abia University, Umuoba road to be precise. Yes. You can ask any question about the ongoing construction in Abia State. You can also inquire about the ongoing, all the projects going in the new Abia. We are always here to give you feedback and tell you as in the be and as it happen. That is why we are here. That is why we are capable. That is why we are everywhere. That is why we are here to serve you.
Aira. Aira. Oh.
As you can see, this is a Umuoba road. Umuoba road is receiving special attention, special recognition, and special touch. Today is November, Friday, the 17th of November 2023. And we are reporting from the construction site. We are giving a new touch to Abia roads, to be precise. And this is a channel where you'll be getting every information concerning the ongoing construction of various roads and various sites in Abia and University.